In fact, breaking news coming in right now. The security has been beefed up outside the residence of DMK leaders. The DMK now fearing violence in case of an adverse verdict in Jayalalitha's disproportionate assets case. The security has been increased after DMK leaders put in a request with the police over there. The DMK clearly fearing backlash from an adverse verdict. Srisha Reddy joins us with more details on this. Srisha, which leaders are we looking at over here, the DMK leaders who've asked for security to be beefed up?
Well, Sana, as far as the ADMK's chief's residence is concerned, of course, there are a lot of party cadres who have been burning the effigies of the DMK chief M. Karunanidhi. So the police also fear that this crowd might go to the DMK chief's residence, which is at the Gopalapuram, where the DMK chief and the party treasurer M.K. Stalin is also there. So that is a sense, and also they fear that there might be some sort of a protest that would be staged by the DMK by the ADMK cadres outside the DMK chief's residence. So that is one of the reasons that why they have beefed up the security. Though there are a lot of party cadres even outside at the DMK's headquarters and also the DMK chief's residence, and they're of course celebrating the whole case, and they're closely keeping an eye on what exactly is happening at the court. But of course, I can tell you that the security has been beefed up, not just even at the Poise Garden residence. Back to you.
All right, very interesting developments coming slowly and steadily. You have had visuals of distribution of sweets coming in from AIDMK supporters. Then you had these visuals of AIDMK supporters lashing out at various leaders, burning effigies as well. And now reports coming in of DMK leaders asking for additional security in case there is an adverse verdict in Jayalalitha's disproportionate assets case.